Dehumidification can be very important for your home, especially in a home like ours where we have a basement and parts of the basement are not completely finished, and getting that extra humidity out of the air is very important to us, especially the part of town that we live in. We do tend to get quite a bit of humidity in the air, and that can really help from you feeling extra moist or damp in your home. This little humidifier has been perfect for us. It's been a great size to put in various rooms in our home that we want to take the moisture out of. It is white and black with these cute little leaves on it, so just very unique looking. It is easy to move into different rooms if you choose to do so. So you have this handle right here on the back, and then it is a plug-in, as you can see, and also very easy to remove the water tank and pour that humidity that it collects from the air out. So as you can see, it is compact. If you need to take it to like an office or something, you can remove it from your home and take it there. This is great for multiple different rooms in your home. We particularly like to use it in our basement. Here is our basement area, and as you can see, this also has like a color changing mood light, which is very cool and unique. It is not noisy at all. It does make a little bit of like a white noise, so if you use this in a bedroom or even any other room, listening to that white noise can also be very soothing. Just letting you see the different changing lights. And then also, as you can see on your right, that is going to be your power button, and then the middle is the light, and then it also has a night mode on the left where you can see the picture of the moon, and that is all touch screen. We also like to use it here in our bathroom as we have a shower here. So that tends to draw in a lot of humidity, and that can pull the moisture out of the air. Okay, so in 12 hours, this is the moisture that it pulled out in my bathroom area down here in my basement. Wow.